Hi everyone, this is White Mechanical Keyboard for Gaming by PicTech, and this is accessible by USB port, and it is having RGB lighting for 27 modes. It is PTPC244A, the model number, and manufactured by Shenzhen e-commerce, and it's made in China. And the contents are here. It's having the keyboard itself in a nice bubble wrap for the user manual and the key puller. And it has got function keys, the number keys, and also the standard QWERTY keyboard. And it has got 6 switches for the lighting, and different modes are customizable. And it has got nice key travel and also having the light visible at the bottom. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.